Okay, now let's go for the next diagram. First one, we saw that the object was far away. Now we will get the object closer to the mirror. So what we'll do is we'll consider the case where an object is beyond C. C means center of curvature. मतलब यहाँ पर this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. तो हम ऑब्जेक्ट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के बाद कहीं भी रख सकते हैं. वेर एवर यू विश यू कैन कीप द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सिंस द ऑब्जेक्ट इज बियॉन्ड द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. ओके, अब वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द ऑब्जेक्ट, नाउ इन दिस केस आई एम ड्रॉइंग हियर. आप कहीं भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो सी के बाद. लेट्स सी, मैं यहाँ ड्रॉ करती हूँ ऑब्जेक्ट. तो ऑब्जेक्ट का यहाँ पर एरो होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये एरो आपका इंडिकेट करेगा कि दिस इज द हेड एंड दिस इज द टेल. दिस विल इंडिकेट दैट द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इरेक्ट, and always you will observe that object, they are always kept above the principal axis. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll name this object as A, B, and let's see how are we going to get the image for this. All right, again we have the same rule: parallel focus, focus parallel, center of curvature, center of curvature. Also, as told to you, any of the rule that you use, you start always from the tip of the object. So I will start from this tip of the object. Let's take the first rule: parallel focus. All right, so whatever I draw, it has to be always from the tip. So I'll draw from point B. I'll consider the first rule, that is parallel. Do not forget to put the arrowheads. All right, this is parallel, and as per the rules, the laws of reflection, we know that the reflected ray will pass through focus. So again, show with the arrowhead that this is the reflected ray. Okay, now we have left with two of these. Either we use focus parallel, or we can use center of curvature, whatever you feel easy. So I think center of curvature will save my time. So let me use this. Again, I will start drawing from this. Why I'm using this a shortcut? Because I will not have to waste my time drawing the reflected ray. We all of us are aware that when we draw a line passing through center of curvature, the incident ray and the reflected ray is one and the same, because it acts as a normal. Okay, now you can see that this is one of the reflected ray, this is one of the reflected ray. Where are these ray meeting? These two rays, they are meeting somewhere this side, and wherever they meet, you draw a line like this, and wherever they meet, just draw the arrowhead. So arrowhead represents point B, so this will be representing point B dash, and this will be A dash. So I have got an image A dash, B dash. So this is the particular diagram. Okay, now for writing down what is the position of the object, हमने object को कहाँ रखा? It is beyond C. So object is kept beyond C, center of curvature. Now where did we get the image? हमें image कहाँ मिला? It is between C and F. So we have got the image between the center of curvature and focus. Nature of image. Nature कैसा है? Image जो है mirror, it has been formed in front of the mirror. So any image which is formed in front of the mirror, it is real, and you can see, here you have got an inverted image. Principal axis के नीचे image बना है, and we've also seen that all real images, they are always inverted. So it is real and inverted. What about the size? अब आप यहाँ पे चेक करो, आपका यहाँ पे 2 लाइन्स का ऑब्जेक्ट है, लेकिन इमेज आपका 1 एंड सम पार्ट ऑफ द सेकेंड लाइन छोटा इमेज बना हुआ है ना. सो हियर वी विल राइट दैट the size of image is smaller, right? It is smaller than the object. Now let's check the sign conventions. U is object distance. It is to the left part of the y-axis. So U is negative. V is image distance. Image भी हमारा left में बना है. So V is also negative. F तो हमें पता ही है, it is towards the left. So again F is negative. Height of the image, आप देखो height of the image principal axis के नीचे बना है, it is down. So ग्राफ में हम नीचे वाले कोऑर्डिनेट्स नेगेटिव कंसिडर करते हैं, तो HI यहाँ पर नेगेटिव होगा. HO प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के ऊपर है, तो हम इसे पॉजिटिव कंसिडर करेंगे. Again same, it is ratio of negative to positive. So m, we are again going to get negative. As told to you, all inverted images, they are negative magnification. Okay, so also practice this and try this out at home. Thank you.